Yes, it's recording. Yes! I'm just recording this with my telephone. My telephone is suddenly run out of memory. And now I'm just deleting most of my videos from last year. And now it's recording, finally. Okay, continue. Going back to my first reading library collection. I've already made a video of these 22 books. And now, oh, okay, for me, this is actually my first level 1 because this is where it's so hard to continue speaking English when you live in France. This is literally where your child will start to learn English. Okay, so I already made a video of this, and the link it's below. If you haven't seen it yet, please check it out. If you're not interested by what's happening, but don't watch the video. Okay, let's forget about it. Okay, come on. So, oh my God, the storage is still not. It's still full. Okay, going back to the level 1, it has 12 books. These delightful, very short stories of the level 1 collection will normally serve for your children to actually try and read them by themselves. Of course, if you still have to help them and you have the pleasure on reading it to them, that would be nice. Your child would be very happy. Still, you can do the same thing. You read the small letter and your child will also read the big letters. Like that. Okay? So, those are the bags, the sun and the wind, the King Midas of the gold, the wish fish. This book is nice. This is a short story for actually teach you how not to be really greedy in life. It's very nice, a short story as well to teach to your child. The greedy dog, the rabbit's tale, and Nancy and the bag of wisdom. The 3 wishes. The same, guys, there are some puzzles to answer to really test the comprehension of your child. The image and the answers at the back. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and the and the O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very fun, right? And the fox and the grow. And the ant and the grasshopper. Another fox and the star story. Another quiz at the back. Answer at the back. And the lion and the mouse. It's legend. One of the most legendary story, guys. I love it so much. The lion and the mouse. Do you want me to read it to you? Okay, I read it to you. Just 1 second, I read it to you. Okay. Lion was fast asleep. Oh my God, my telephone is no more. Okay. And something tickled his nose. Ow! Lion woke up. A mouse? What are you doing here? How dare you wake me? He raised his paw. Please don't kill me, begged the mouse. Maybe I can save your life one day too. Lion laughed. Ho, 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 ho. You're too small to save anyone. The next day, lion walked into a trap. Help! Help! The mouse heard him. Don't worry, I can help you. She nibbled through the ropes and lion was free. I'm so sorry, little mouse, said the lion. I was wrong. Even little friends can be good friends. So after, I hope you enjoyed my little story with a little bit of effects. And so after, at the end of the books, which all the type of the books have, I have puzzles to answer. And the answer, there's maybe 1, 2, 3 puzzles. There's 3 puzzles. And after you answer the puzzles and the story, about the story, The Lion and the Mouse is one of the Aesop's fables, a collection of stories first told in ancient Greece around 4,000 years ago. The stories always have a moral, a message, or a lesson at the end. I hope you enjoyed that story. So, I'll make another video for this. Bye!